Hey, good morning. It's June 4th, and you're here with Chico selling call options. Wednesday, what we got first? Well, Palantir is on up here on our charts here. And first of all, the markets are up a little bit, and Palantir is down. So down is good for us because we sold call options yesterday on Palantir, and I'll come back to that a little bit. Next, I want to talk a little bit briefly about CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike was one that I mentioned yesterday would be worth selling a call option, and we didn't because the price of the stock would be over our budget of, we only have 40K, so it's kind of would exceed it. We could use margin, but I'm trying not to use margin to keep things consistent. So, but if you did, as I suggested yesterday, I did it for my personal portfolio, and it's today it's down, so you'd be making money. Okay, Broadcom is another stock that I talked about, and they report earnings tomorrow after the bell, and I think they're going to have a fantastic quarter. It's going to be a very strong AI story for them, and you can see here from back in April, it's down all the way to 140, 145, given all that panic with the tariffs, and now it's all the way back up to 260. It's really up there. So I don't know how much more upside it has. And maybe, obviously it depends on the earnings, but I think it's worth selling a call option on it. So that, again, our plan is to sell one tomorrow and close out the Palantir one. Now, what else we have in the news? Yeah, Trump in his tax bill is just crazy. We want to adding more deficit to, add to the deficit by 2.4 trillion. I guess these figures are kind of like rough ballpark numbers, but yeah, we're talking trillions here. That's a lot. And then the other thing is, you might have heard, it's not really new news, is Trump tariffs are on aluminum and foreign steel are in effect, with UK the exception. Like, that's just wild. Like, from 25%, that was imposed against Canada and Mexico, and now 50% for everybody. Like, that's astronomical. All right, let's go check out our trading platform. Yeah, so yesterday we sold 3 contracts for Palantir at 157, and right now it's just plummeting down all the way to 46 cents. So we're in the profit zone for $333 as we speak right now. And so yeah, we can close out today, I'm trying to see if there's another stock that I would like to make a play for, but it would be a very quick one if we were aim for AVGO. AVGO is at 260-ish, almost 259 as we speak, and we sold contract right now, but I'm just looking at these numbers, just getting ready for tomorrow. Like, I'm not doing it today, but if we did tomorrow before the close of the bell, you're looking at, if we did 280, it's 258. So it's not like, super lucrative. It's just because the implied volatility for AVGO is a little bit relatively lower. But yeah, we'll mull it over. Otherwise, we would have to find something else if there's a better play. Okay, so that's it for today. We're looking good for Palantir, and maybe I'll close it today depending on how things go, and if I find something else to jump to for a one-day play. Otherwise, we'll stick with it and look forward to perhaps AVGO. Yep. Okay, catch you next episode.